Okay, so we're going to be filming Palha Street. Palha Street is Straw Street. So we were here in Macau. Looks like they're doing some renovations over there by Sao Domingo's, St. Dominic's Church. We're going to be going down this way, and we're going to walk probably into another street as well up there. And just to give you a little context, those are some of the, say, Cathedral, Santa Square, and St. Paul Ruins. So St. Paul Ruins is that way, Santa Square is that way. Okay, let's put it up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, we're going to be going down this way. Let me just kind of take a look at some of the architecture here. Some really beautiful architecture in this area. This goes all the way down to Santa Square, but I'm just going to capture the architecture on the sides here. And then this goes up to the, up there is a Portuguese bookstore, and then up there is Portuguese consulate as well. More of the architecture in here. And we are going to show you Palha Street, and we'll walk towards St. Paul Ruins. I think it's pretty crowded up in there, but that's the name of the street. Okay, so we are going to go. And I'll just show you real quick. There's also a little bit of a stand right here too, pork chop bun. A lot of times there'll be a few people there, but there's not at the moment. Okay, let's go on up. Let's see. So Palha Street actually means Straw Street, so I guess the origin would have some connection with agriculture, I guess. Okay, we're gonna come up into this little plaza right here as well. Let's just highlight the plaza. It's right on Straw Street anyways. And usually, if you're not familiar with the videos, I haven't done any Macau ones recently, but usually I'll target in streets. Just give you a little context up in here. There's also all these are little becos, patios. So I just want to give you a little bit of the transition. So you can go into these, and there's residential, they're quite quiet. You can see the names. I forget, I think this one might have an exit over there. Can't remember. There is an exit in here somewhere. And then there's all these little things here too. So if insurers do come in here, they'll have a nice little Instagram shot right here next to this kind of stuff. They're kind of everywhere now where they'll say Macau, and they're perfect for social media. Okay, so we're gonna go around this way, and then our street is to the left, but we're just gonna look up here. I think there's an entranceway up here as well, but if you keep walking up here, there's always lots of little cool alleys everywhere up in here. And then I think we could have went through maybe that one, and then we could have went into the patio as well. So I think it's this one. So we could have went through there, and that would have went into that little patio. So usually those patios will have different entrances as well. Okay. So Palha Street is to the right, and we are going to go down that way in a minute. We're just going to capture this little plaza right here. So yeah, if you're not familiar with Macau, they pedestrianize some of these streets. But if you look at old photos, these streets would have had cars coming up and down them. Let me just kind of give you some context. So we basically just came straight down this way, So we would have came directly down that way. Okay. So Palha Street's going to continue, and I think it turns into, what's the name of the street? Turns into another one. St. Paul Street. And I think what I'm going to do is we'll just continue down our street, up our street, just to kind of give you an idea of this whole area. So this will turn into St. Paul Street right there, Rua de Sao Paulo. And then this goes up to St. Paul's Church. And then you also have all of these little side streets that go down. This goes down to Mercadores, and then there's also some other historical streets on that way. And this is all Palha Street. So that's actually Palha, then it ends and it turns into St. Paul. So now we're officially on St. Paul. I'm gonna label it Palha though. Palha is actually like a big long elbow, so technically St. Paul Street starts here, but then it goes around. Like the St. Paul's Church would be about 1/3 of the street. There'd be 1/3 of the street. And it's gonna get crazy crowded, as you can imagine up here. There's some other side streets up on the way, these little patios and courtyards. That's a travessa, like a lane. Travessa is a Portuguese word for lane. So from this angle we got a viewpoint, so people will start taking photos. So it kind of comes up on you. So that's St. Paul's Church. Try to get around some of the people here. And now we are up here. So we are going to try to... Okay, so now we have a good view of the church. Let's try to navigate more. Okay. So we started at Palha, but we're gonna continue all the way so we have a good idea of the church. And I think I'm just gonna go up to the steps just a little bit, just to walk through the crowds a little bit. And then we're gonna turn around and look back where we came from. With St. Paul's in the background there. And as you can see, lots of people will stand and take photos on the steps. Okay. So that's the St. Paul Ruins steps. There is also a fort up there as well. Okay, so here's the, this is called the Square of something Jesus. And this is St. Paul, and that's St. Paul, and then Palha is just down a little bit. I'll just give you some references. Used to be, this used to be like a place for the Jesuits. So they had schools here, the church up at the top, right there. This was a whole community for Jesuits in the 1500s, 1600s, for almost the whole time the Portuguese were here. All right, so that's a slice of Macau. We'll end the video right there.